Today, I make sheer kurma. This is a dessert that almost everyone makes on Eid. So, let's start. First, I take 2 tablespoons of ghee and add vermicelli. We also call it semien. I sauté it in the ghee until it turns golden. Then I take it out. In the same pan, I add dry fruits of my choice and sauté them, then remove them from the pan. I add 1 cup of sugar. You can use half a cup depending on your taste, along with half a teaspoon of cardamom, elaichi. I let it caramelize slightly. Then add 1 liter of milk. Tell me, where are you guys watching me from? I'd love to know. I read all your comments. Back to the recipe. Now I add the sautéed vermicelli and dry fruits into the milk and let it cook for a few minutes until everything comes together beautifully. And that's it. My delicious sheer korma is ready. Enjoy it with your family, and don't forget to tell me how yours turns out. It really motivates me to make more videos. Bye! See you in the next video.